Hi there again, this is Safety Sherwin UT. Before we start, please ring the bell for subscribe and all of the videos are free to watch.
Let's get started.
5 preventive maintenance safety tasks and jobs include the following. 1. Development of safety procedures and protocols for maintenance activities. This is done to ensure the safety of personnel who will work on preventive maintenance and avoid any accidents. 2. Wearing of personal protective equipment (PPE) even before preventive maintenance begins. PPE must be provided to personnel to protect them from any occupational hazard. 3. Regular inspection of equipment and condition of facilities. This is done to ensure that the equipment and facilities to be used in preventive maintenance are safe and sound. 4. Conducting safety drills and training. This is done to expand the staff's knowledge of safety procedures and protocols, and to prepare them for any eventuality. 5. Analysis of hazards and providing solutions. This is done to identify possible hazards in preventive maintenance and provide solutions to avoid them. In general, preventive maintenance safety work aims to protect personnel from any occupational hazards and ensure the safe and proper operation of equipment and facilities.
Thank you for listening and watching. Please subscribe and share for the safety of others. This is Safety Sherwin. God bless Pope.